Hi, my name is Hindes and today we will be baking some lemon cupcakes. I'm sorry about all of the mess, like the wall and the roof, but we are trying to build a new kitchen. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees. Put all of the ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Whisk all of the ingredients. Divide the mixture into 12 muffin cases. Put the cupcakes into the oven for 20 minutes. Now they've cooled, to make it even better, add some lemon curd. Cut a bit out of the top and put it to the side. Fill the hole with lemon curd. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below what was your favourite part. Bye!